Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Offroad. So today we're going to be working on a video that I've been waiting to do for a very, very long time. It's taken some time, but we're finally getting here. The Dirtnation Tacoma is finally going to be reaching 100,000 miles. We are currently less than 500 miles away from that landmark. Now, I know it's not necessarily a landmark when it comes to Tacomas. We're expected to last 200,000-300,000 miles. I think this truck is in a unique position because it is at 100,000 miles, but this is 100,000 miles of, you guys are going to see, these are some raunchy miles. We've been doing some things with this truck and we've been doing it for a long time. And that's what I want to start focusing on today, as well as on some upcoming videos. We're going to be doing a series on the 100,000 mile Dirtnation Tacoma, covering maintenance, covering ownership reviews, covering all aspects of owning this truck and how it's affected my life for the past 4+ years. Now, for any of you that are new to the channel, this truck, I purchased it back in 2017. I think it was August of 2017. I bought it on a Thursday. A couple days later, on Saturday, I was out in Johnson Valley, soggy dry lake, hitting that. And from there, it's been nonstop wheeling with this truck all the time. Now, one of the things that I really enjoy about this process and everything that we've done with here with Dirtnation, as well as, you know, this truck in general, is every single wheeling trip that I've taken has been recorded. Almost every single one of them. Now, we started Dirtnation in 2018. This truck I picked up in 2017, so there's a year gap right there, but I was still recording YouTube videos. A lot of those videos aren't available anymore. Those are kind of in the vault and probably never to be seen again. But either way, I'm still going to cut in some clips from those previous trips. You know, we took this truck out for a whole year before Dirtnation. You know, we took it to a few places, obviously Azusa, Cleghorn, all the rookie spots, but we have taken the truck out quite a bit. And then obviously with Dirtnation, you guys know this truck has really carried the channel for a long time. I did the numbers, 150+ trips just with this truck. Now, Dirtnation itself, we're over 200, maybe over 250. I think we have 220 or 30 videos out there. Now, obviously not all of those are wheeling, but we do a lot of wheeling trips. This truck has been a central part of that for a very long time. And I think that's what's gonna be special about these series of videos, is talking about my experience with it, showing you guys proof of the things that I'm talking about, and kind of just giving you guys a full inside look at owning and operating and abusing and taking care and just everything to do with a Toyota Tacoma, a 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. Now, I've recorded quite a few things in anticipation for these videos because in the last month or so, I've had to, you know, the chickens have come home to roost. You guys keep hearing the chickens, those are them coming home to roost. I've had to fix a lot of things on this truck. I've had to do quite a bit of maintenance. I've had to filter through a lot of stuff and a lot of things catching up to me with all the abuse that this truck has had. So I've recorded some stuff in anticipation for making these videos, but I still want to give you guys an opportunity to ask some questions. What are the things that you want answered, right? What are the aspects of owning this truck that are important to somebody that either owns one now or is looking to buy a truck? So definitely comment. I look forward to you seeing your guys' feedback, because I'm going to make this video and then I'm still working on those other ones. So I'm going to take into account what you guys say. So feedback is important. Let's definitely do that. Now, what we're gonna do for this video is we're gonna take a look at the history of this Tacoma in a highlight sense. Like I said, 150 trips with this truck, 4.5 years, almost 5 years of consistent use and abuse. You know, you really can't do it justice, but I tried my best and I put together kind of a highlight reel, about 3 or 4 minutes of what this truck has gone through, where I've taken it, all the amazing things that I've done with this truck, and that's what we're gonna be looking at for the rest of this video. We're gonna get started first up. Very first episode of Dirtnation Offroad. I predicted what's gonna happen with this truck. Enjoy the show, guys. Let's get it. I'm beating the crap out of this truck. God damn it.